Hello, assalamu alaikum guys. If you are very much worried about that your sound is not coming by the earphone and by the opening video, as well as you are not getting any sounds, screen sound, whatever else you are not getting, so how you can get this sound? You have to go to the accessibilities. By this you can do, so let me show you. Now I am getting the sound. Okay, first I show you that now I am getting sound. I can use the sound. I will play my video, then I will show you. Now easily we can, okay, so easily we can do, we are able to listen. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to come on setting. After setting we have to come accessibilities, then we will click hearing. Okay, if you will turn off all sounds, so you will be unable to listen the any video sound, any screen sound, anything will be unable to do. If somebody will call, so you cannot listen. By the hand free you cannot listen. You can see by here, disable the turn. Okay, so here the message is coming, disable, turn off all sound accessibilities, so we cannot use by here. So what we have to do, again we have to go to the setting, then we will go, and you can see here one thing, that sounds volume, every volume is full. Okay, so again you have to go to the accessibilities. After that hearing you have to click here, then you have to turn off all sounds. Now I will show you proof again, so you can anybody calls by which you can. Okay guys, so you can do by this. It's a very fantastic to use, so do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Whenever you will not get voice by earphone, by the opening YouTube videos, anything else, so you have to go to accessibilities, then turn off the all sounds. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. Do not forget to like and subscribe my channel.